Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start in Settings Accessibility because that centralizes display controls. Once there, tap Display and Text Size to access inversion options. You do this because it changes only colors, not layout. Make sure your iPad is unlocked and updated so options appear. If prompted for Face ID or passcode, authenticate. This prevents accidental changes and preserves privacy. Now you're positioned to flip color schemes quickly. Keep this screen visible so the next step is immediate and precise. You choose between Classic Invert and Smart Invert. Tap each to understand the difference. Classic Inversion reverses every color, which is simple but can distort photos. Smart Invert intelligently preserves images and media. Use it if you want natural-looking photos and app icons. Once you toggle a switch, watch the screen so you can immediately evaluate readability and contrast. If it improves legibility, keep it on. If not, switch back and try the alternative option right away. You finish by adding an accessibility shortcut, so triple-clicking the power or home button toggles inversion. This saves time and avoids deep menu hunts. If colors still look wrong after switching modes, make sure your iPad OS is up to date and restart the device. That often resolves display glitches. If problems persist, reset display and text size settings, not the whole device, to return only display options to defaults. This targeted reset fixes misconfigurations without erasing your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.